Hi, I'm Yuna. Today I'm going to show you how to make Garamja Jorim. It is a Korean side dish made with potatoes and sweet soy sauce and a little bit of sesame oil and roasted garlic. That is it. So, all you need is mini potatoes like this. I'm going to first cut this up and just pour it in here. I washed the potatoes in the bag. I don't know if that was a good idea, but hey, we're here. First thing we're gonna do, is turn on our pan on medium-high heat and drizzle some oil, about a couple tablespoons or so. I'm using avocado oil here. You can use any oil of your choice, but don't use sesame oil as your frying oil. That's just one thing that I want to note. Now, right in here, I'm just going to evenly distribute our oil, and I'm going to add in our potatoes. It looks really wrinkly. I don't know why. You know why? Because I froze it, and then I unfroze it. That's what happened. Okay, so we are here for a while, about 5 minutes or so. So another 5 minutes or so. Every minute or so, you just want to flip that around. It's almost done. Let me increase the heat a little bit higher. Just want some of the potatoes to be cooked more. So I decided to cut these potatoes in half to make sure that the potatoes are cooked a little quicker. Yes, I spent more time to save time. Makes no sense. But I think this ensures that all the potatoes are going to be evenly cooked. And we are right here. So I'm going to lower our heat to about medium-low. And from here on, guess what? We got low heat point ingredient, roasted garlic. By the way, I'm not sponsored by this company, but Gourmet Garden makes, oh my goodness, the most convenient seasoning, like stir-in paste. But I love going with roasted garlic. It always tastes better than garlic. So in our low heat, I'm gonna lower it down just a bit more. Oh yes, smoking beautifully. I'm just gonna squeeze it right in. Generous amount, because that's gonna be the flavor bomb. So, just keep stirring around it. You notice I don't have salt, because we're gonna get all the sodium from this. So I'm just gonna make sure that all the potatoes are evenly coated in our garlic paste. Ooh, yes. This is a different dish, suddenly. Garlic is such a powerful ingredient, isn't it? And from here, what I'm using is ABC sweet sauce. So typically when you make this, you add sugar or honey in addition to regular soy sauce. I figure this will just cut to chase. And I'm going to add in about a couple tablespoons. Of course, it's Asian food, and I'm measuring a lot of it. So, right in here. At this point, you can really turn off your heat. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Both soy and garlic have very, very low heat point, and it's going to start glazing, right? And right in here, of course, what are we missing? It's a Korean dish. Roasted sesame oil. I love the smell of this. Just a hint. Gather together. Oops, that's even too much. I would say about a teaspoon. I definitely added a tablespoon, but hey, it's roasted. I don't think anybody's gonna complain. Alrighty. Ooh, no. Oh yeah, this smells fantastic. Now, I do think I can add a little bit more seasoning to this. There you go. Just a little bit more. because potatoes are such a bland vegetable, right? You need a lot of seasoning to make that right. Before I do that, some sesame seeds. Also, I believe it is premium roasted. Okay, it's very pretty. So right in here. That looks good, right? This is it, everybody. We made our Gamja Jorim, which is our sweet, it's like a barbecue soy sauce potato side dish. It'll mean so much to me if you hit the like button and hit subscribe so you watch me every week. I hope you make this. It came together super quickly, under 10 minutes. And if we're not connected on Instagram, I'm at Yuna Cooks, same as YouTube. Every week I upload a new video, so let's connect. Thank you so much for watching.